Probability distributions, represented by Boyaban, Faith, and O. Frequency distributions. A frequency distribution in statistics, a graph or dataset organized to show the frequency of occurrence of each possible outcome of a repeatable event observed many times. Simple examples are election returns and test scores listed by percentile. A frequency distribution can be graphed as a histogram or pie chart. Example: in the following list of numbers, the frequency of the number 9 is 5 because it occurs 5 times, as you can see. Next, combinations and permutations. Permutations and combinations, the various ways in which objects from a set may be selected. Generally without replacement to form subsets, this selection of subsets is called permutation, when the order of selection is a factor. A combination when order is not a factor. Definition: a combination is a grouping of outcomes in which the order does not matter, while a permutation is an arrangement of outcomes in which the order does matter. Formula: the number of combinations of n things chosen R at a time is found using NCR equals n, while formula of permutations, the number of permutations of the n things chosen R at a time is found using. Example of combinations: how many pairs can be made from a group of 6 people? Jean and Tom are the same pair as Sam and Jean. Example in permutations: 6 people are in a contest. How many ways can first and second place be awarded? Jean first and Tom second is different than Tom first and Jean second. Please see the solution. Next, binomial distribution. The binomial distribution is a common discrete distribution used in statistics as opposed to a continuous distribution such as the normal distribution. The binomial distribution therefore represents the probability for x successes in n trials given a success probability p for each trial. Binomial distribution formula. Please see the picture, where n equals the number of trials or the number being sampled, x the number of successes desired, p probability of getting a success in one trial, q equals 1 minus p equals the probability of getting a failure in one trial. Example: please observe the picture. Poisson distribution. An event can occur 0, 1, 2 times in an interval. The average number of events in an interval is designated lambda. Lambda is the event rate, also called the rate parameter. The probability of observing key events in an interval is given by the equation. Please see the picture, where lambda is the average number of events per interval. E is the number 2.71828, Euler's number, the base of the natural logarithm. K takes value 0, 1, 2. Example. Please observe the example. Last, normal distribution. The normal distribution is a continuous probability distribution that is symmetrical on both sides of the mean. So the right side of the center is a mirror image of the left side. The area under the normal distribution curve represents probability and the total area under the curve sums to 1. Example: a radar unit is used to measure speeds of cars on a motorway. The speeds are normally distributed with a mean of 90 km or hour and a standard deviation of 10 km or hour. What is the probability that a car picked at random is traveling at more than 100 km or hour? Answer: let x be the random variable that represents the speed of cars. X has u equals 90 and equals 10. We have to find the probability that x is higher than 100, or p, or x For x equals 100, z equals 100 minus 90, or 10 equals 1. Please see the answer and make observation. That's all. Thank you.